Hi, I'm going to talk about an open educational resources curation tool called Pressbooks. My name is Rachel Arteaga, and I'm a librarian at Butte College. So Pressbooks is a tool for building ebooks. It's very professional looking, and it also has a pretty low cost, a one-time fee of either $19 or $99. Depending on what type of formats you want to use. And they usually have coupons available, so you can actually get it even cheaper than that. The nice thing about it is that you can convert your ebook into different types of formats. So that includes two main e-reader formats. There's an online version, and also you can get a printable PDF version. So those are all available with the $99 purchase. So these ebooks are customizable, and a lot of top universities use them to build their own open educational resources, which I'll show you a few examples of that. There are a few drawbacks. One is that it's cheap, but not entirely free for the author. It is, of course, free for people to access it, so that's good. And also, if you're not used to the type of format, which is similar to building a blog, then it might take you a bit of time to learn how to use Pressbooks. For me, I have done blogs before and built stuff in learning management systems, it was pretty similar, so easy to learn. So it's also an ebook format and not for teaching modules. So you can't really build a class in it, but you can make a nice ebook or textbook. Here are a few simple examples that I pulled from a collection of OER. So the first one is a writing guide called About Writing. It was converted into Pressbooks. I'll show you that really fast so you can see what it looks like. So here is the record page for this book. You can see that it is available in these different formats. So one of these is a Kindle. You can get it on Kindle, or as an ebook, Adobe does EPUB, or you can get it as a PDF. And you can also read it online. So if I just click read, it takes you to the online version. You can go to the table of contents and look at the different sections. So this is a pretty simple ebook. You can see how it's organized. I know professors at Butte College have actually looked at it for using it in their classes. You can go flip through the pages. So you can see it's a really professional, nice online ebook. Here is another example. An ebook about criminal law. And again, there are different formats that you can use, that you can download when you create your ebook. You can see the table of contents for the online version. So this has a slightly different layout format. There's active links you can go to different chapters in the book. There's some pictures. Those are just a few examples of what you can do. Okay, trying to get back to the slide. Okay. So what does it look like to write and design with Pressbooks? I'm going to go into my account and show you a few things. Okay, so this is a home screen or the dashboard. It lays out everything for you. I started to build a very simple ebook, basically explaining what open educational resources are. So if you go to the book info, for example, you can see basically the record for the book. You can fill out this information. I can add a cover image at some point. The copyright information is right here that you can choose. So I chose, let's see, let's actually change this to Creative Commons Attribution. And there's lots of different things that you can do, that you can add. The other thing is that you can choose the appearance for your book. So Pressbook has themes that allow you to choose some kind of design concepts. And you can actually search themes. So if you are writing an academic ebook, there are some themes that are better for that. And you can choose. And then, for example, so this makes it a bit more customizable and fun from a design standpoint. Okay, so you can also go to the media tab. And when you buy the $99 version, which I haven't done yet, you have more storage for media. So I just put some pictures in here that I might want to use in the ebook. You can see there's different types of media that you can include: images, audio, and video. And you just upload them in the computer or the web. And then when you are, well, first I'll show you text. So this is just an example of what I've written. So you can see it's like a blog post, basically. And then we can actually preview this chapter online. So when you get your account to start a book, you choose the address that you want for your book, and it will be the permanent address to your online book. Right now I have this set as private, but I could publish it and have it available to anyone that wants to find it. But since I haven't finished writing it, I haven't done that yet. Oops. And then lastly, when you're done, you can export your book in different formats. You get to choose which ones. So again, if I purchase the $99 one, I would have more options for export. So all you have to do is write your book in a word processing program such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and you can use the formatting from those programs. They should transfer over to WordPress. So if you use headers, lists, all you have to do is copy and paste and put it into WordPress and it'll save your formatting. So it's pretty easy as far as you don't have to build it in WordPress, build your book in WordPress. What's also nice is that licensing is built in, so you can choose your licensing if you want Creative Commons, which you probably will. You can choose it for the entire book or for chapters. And it's really easy to learn how to use. There are guides and tutorials for WordPress. This one, this link is for building ebooks for education. It has lots of good tips. And I basically learned how to build everything in WordPress in a couple of hours. I feel pretty confident that I could do it. So I think it's really user friendly and just a nice way to build an ebook if you want to have an open educational resource.